Good afternoon. So today we talk about how to connect your Tone wallet to your TapSwap. So you come to the X2 up here, you click on the X2. So you can see connect your wallet. You just click on connect wallet. So it will bring you here. So you have to have your Tone keeper on your phone. You either have your Tone keeper or my Tone wallet. So I advise you to use your Tone keeper because it's more safer than any other. So you click on your Tone keeper. When you click on your Tone keeper, you click yes. Then that means you've already create your wallet and your Tone keeper. You can see my TapSwap. I've already created my wallet, TapSwap wallet on my Tone keeper. Just click on TapSwap. Then you click on connect wallet. So you can see done. That means it has been connected. So here, if you have the money to buy ton, you can buy your ton so that your coin can have your double balance. Thank you.